so nervous and laid an egg. Happy Easter, everyone. Christ the Lord is risen today. If you went to church, you'd know about that song. Oh, welcome to another episode of Nosh and Oh My Gosh. If you're new here, this is where we talk about food, life here in Chicago, and everything in between that makes you say, oh my gosh. Today we are going to the grocery store to get Easter feast going. Yeah, it's kind of an afterthought because I'm just tired. It's the pandemic effect. You just don't want to do anything. You don't want to put on real clothes. You don't want to cook. Well, I never want to cook. So yeah, we're gonna go grocery shopping today. Our mission is to find the ingredients to make steak and lobster Easter dinner for under $50. Look at Lobster. We end up going to Jewel, which is another grocery store, to find Easter treats. Wait till the end of this video to see the special treat. We have our steak. We're gonna put this away for now. And we're gonna make our asparagus. We're just gonna roast them in the oven. So I just set the oven to 425 and we're just gonna bake the asparagus for like 25 minutes maybe. We forgot to get oil. And this is what I do with the asparagus. You just go bloop. That's when you know what the good things are, the good stuff. Save this little thing for garbage. Some people just chop it. This is how I like to cook in the oven because it doesn't stink as much. You get out your aggression on the asparagus. But you need to cook with love because food made with love tastes so much better. Garrett's gonna be making the steak because he likes to. There's a lot of meat touching and I'm not down with that. Alright. Hey, can you Google how long we should cook this for? And now, we have no more oil, hardly any oil. We forgot to get some at the grocery. We're more focused on getting some peeps. Yeah. And then some salt. And some pepper. Toss it around. Toss it in the oil. Oh no! We lost the head. I like the head part because it gets really crunchy. It's like asparagus chips. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the oven for 425 for 15 minutes. now time for Garrett to make the steaks. You got some garlic, some shallots.
Okay.
We got these steaks a few weeks back and has been in the freezer waiting to be eaten. All this meat for $15 from Peoria Meats. I'll put the link below. We left the thawed out meat out on a rack in the fridge for however long it took us to go grocery shopping, just crusting it with salt and pepper.
Bring it in on the side first.
Making sure all sides are nicely crusted.
Okay, and just let it fall. That should get a couple minutes.
Ooh. It's so smoky in here. The steaks go back in. There's some flavor. Alright, that one's off and ready for a little bit of Cabernet finishing salt. Salt bag. This is how I like my asparagus, dead and roasted.
Okay, ready? Okay.
I never returned for the lobster tails because why have those when you can have lobster mac? $10 for this mac and cheese with major lobster chunks. It serves 4. Alright everyone, for the main event, bring out the lamb! Silence of the lambs. Hello, Clarice. Oh my god, don't tip over. Ooh, yeah.
The cutting board.
I feel like yes. He's so nervous, he laid an egg. I'm gonna worry about that. Put the grass over there. Christ the Lord is risen today.
Should I take it off the cardboard?
No, it's fine. Oh. It's just white cake, but it's a lamb.
And buttercream.
Buttercream. That's actually a really good cake.
Sure.
No, I was expecting it to be dry. You know, like we just bought this for fun.
As juicy as a living lamb.
Yeah. All right.
Beheaded lamb.
That is it for Easter Sunday meal. I think it was successful. It was cheaper than going out. And we had some steak. We had some lobster mac and cheese, some asparagus, you know, for some health, and another baby lamb for dessert. All for under $50 for 2 people. I think that's a success. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please don't forget to like and give the subscribe button a little boop. And we will see you next week for more food, more Chicago, and more Oh My Gosh. Bye!